Viewing information within Visual Parsed Kubernetes, or VpK, is accomplished by selecting one of the tabs in the upper portion of the screen. When you select the tab, it will check to see whether or not a snapshot has been captured. If you do not select a snapshot prior to selecting the tab, you'll receive a message indicating so. Here's an example of what will happen if you have not selected a snapshot prior to selecting a tab. This is the message that you'll receive for any of the tabs if you have not selected a snapshot prior to selecting the tab. To return, you simply click outside the message area or click the close, and it will take you to the selected tab. This message does not prohibit you from navigating to that tab, but it's trying to assist you in understanding that you won't be able to view any data. To enable you to view data, you must select a snapshot. We do that by going to the upper portion of the screen, selecting the drop down, and you can select a running cluster or previous captured snapshot. All of the videos in this series will use previously captured snapshots. There are 3 snapshots that we'll use: AAA MCM, Minikube, and the OC demo. Let's get started with OwnerRef links by selecting the AAA MCM. Snapshot selected. It's parsing that information. It's now available for viewing. You'll select the OwnerRef links, and it is the case you have to populate the tab, but with this tab you also select the sort order. It's available to sort it by kind, which is the resource kind, the namespace, or the levels. I'll select levels, and then a secondary sort, and I'll select namespace. We retrieve the data. Data is now available. Now there's 5 different levels identified here. A level 5 will have 5 owner reference links, 4 will have 4, 3, 2, and so on. But a level 1 has 2 reference links. Now it shows you the item, and is the case within VpK. Anytime you see an icon, you can select the icon. So here we see a role, and we see that it has an owner reference. The owner reference is kind channel, book information. And we'll click outside here, and we'll click on the icon for channel. But what you'll notice is that there's no resource YAML available. That is the unique feature about level 1 resources. They've been identified as having owner reference links, but none of the owner reference links that actually own the resource have the YAML available for viewing. So if we go ahead and select level 2, which looks very similar to a level 1, if you select the owning reference, here you actually see the YAML for the owning reference. I'll select level 3. You'll see that there's 3 levels here. Select this. You can select the second level, and so forth. And let me go ahead and select level 4 to show you, and then level 5. And in these instances, you will see all 5 levels of YAML for the resources. Again, like all other tabs, or many other tabs, you can print this information if you so desire. You can also open all references. Now this will open references for all levels or all definitions that were selected over here. So if we go ahead, close this, select kind, and then namespace, and retrieve this, you'll then see it listed by kind. That's an overview of owner reference links within VpK, visualizing what's inside Kubernetes. Thank you.